guys, welcome back to Beauty Bees. This is going to be a really quick video today. I am working against time. My camera just flashed me that it has like 15% battery, so we're gonna try to do this pretty quick. I was recently lured into purchasing the Allure beauty box. This is the February box. Now what got me to sign up was I saw that I could pick a YSL lipstick, one of their, I believe it's their oil in lipsticks. I'm sure we'll see it in a minute here. And I got to select the color. Now I have been interested in that particular lipstick formula for ages. It used to be the formula that you'd see the beauty gurus get during the VIB sale. So it's been on my mind for a while, and for $25, $26.75 shipped with tax and everything, to me personally, I was interested to see what is in here. All right, so there should be 6 products in here. Let's see what I've got. I believe there's just one box for every month, though there is some slight personalization that you can do, like the lipstick that I chose. So let's see, on top we have a little mini magazine, which I assume goes through the products. Yes, it looks like it does. That might be useful later, as well as some little cards. I'll look through these later and see if there's anything important. I'm kind of guessing there isn't. And like I said, we're in a little bit of a time crunch. So the thing that's on top, ooh, this is interesting. So this is from Lush, and it is their Happy Skin Enzymic Facial Exfoliator. Now this is sealed right now, so I'm not going to open it because I'm just a little bit worried that it's going to just pour out everywhere. Okay, so this is a use by December of this year, made in October of last year. So it's not an old product. I'm glad to see that. I'm really interested in this. I have never tried anything from Lush before, so this should be interesting. This is a 1.7 ounce size, and I will be putting prices, if I can find the same item, up in the corner. So this is neat. I'm interested to try it. I don't have a facial exfoliator right now, and that sounds like something I would be interested in. Very cool. Item number 2. Oh, and this is the YSL lipstick that I was talking about. This is the Rouge Volupté Shine Oil and Stick. And I selected the color, well, it doesn't say it there. I believe it was called Nude Lavalier. Yes. I'm not going to look up how to pronounce that because, like I said, kind of a time crunch, but we'll put the name up too because I probably butchered it, and that looks so pretty. Okay, so let's take a moment. I love the packaging. It's gold. It has the YSL logo in silver. Oh, I just touched my nose with that. No strong scent to the lipstick, and that's pretty. Sorry for using you guys as a mirror. Oh, I take that back. There's a strong candy scent to the lipstick. Okay, I can get behind that. I think that's really pretty, right? I didn't wear any lipstick to this video specifically because I knew that this was in here. And yeah, I feel like I've gotten my $25 out of the box with just these 2. Everything else is icing, but I'm hoping that there's some really fun things in the rest of the box as well. So let's dig in and pull out another product. Okay, this is the Ahava Time to Hydrate Essential Day Moisturizer. Now Ahava is a brand that really seems to appear in these subscription boxes pretty often, but I don't think I've ever actually used anything from them. And this is not obvious at all if this is for skin, if this is for body, or if this is for face. Huh. I really wish that they would tell me that. I feel like I always think of moisturizer as being for the face and the lotion being for the body, but I don't know. I will have to look that up and figure it out. Actually, let's open this up. So, ooh, it's cold. That's because it's cold outside and I just got this. It's a white color. Yeah, this is gonna be for my body. This feels a little bit on the thick side to go on the face. I think that I would break out if I used this on my face. No real scent, I don't think. I'll try from... Nope, no real scent. I think this would be good to like take to work and keep in my desk. I think that's probably what I'll end up doing with this. Not really excited about this product, but I mean, it's nice to have. Cool. Let's see. Are we 3 in? 3 to go? Ooh, there's like one big box or bigger box. Oh, I remember. I saw this. So this is Commodity Milk Plus. And this is a 5 ml size. So that's a little bit smaller than a standard purse spray. It's half the size. But here's what this looks like. I'm already wearing perfume today. Ooh, looks like this leaked out a little bit. Ooh, that is strong. It smells like, I bet it's a vanilla tonka bean scent. I don't actually know what tonka bean smells like, but I know what vanilla scents that have tonka bean in them generally smell like. I really hope this whole thing didn't leak out. I can still hear some liquids splashing around in there, so I'm gonna need to figure this out. I'm just gonna wipe it a little bit on the tissue paper and hope it works out. Not really my scent profile. It's not something I would want in a larger size, but for 5 mils, I think it'll be fun to try out. Unfortunately, I think I'm probably working with more like 3 or 4 because it looks like this leaked a little bit inside the cap, but oh well. Okay, 2 more to go. Let's pull this out. So this is from Jasmine Beauty. It is a Brow Boss Brow Styling Wax. Well, I tried to get this open nicely in case I decided I didn't want this product, then I could pass it along to someone else. I guess I'm committed now because I committed an absolute massacre opening this thing. Okay, so here is the brow wax. It's a clear wax. Probably didn't need to open that. This is a 5-gram size. I've never used a brow wax before. I have started using brow gel pretty regularly in the last few weeks, so I might have to give this a go. But again, it's not something I'm super excited about. I can see how this could be useful for some people. Like, I know people do use brow wax, but I feel like that's something that if you want to use it, you likely already have and lasts for so long that I'm not sure it's worthwhile in general for people to be receiving in a box like this. But like I said, I'm already feeling really happy with what I got in the box as is. I'm interested to see what this last item is going to be, though. Huh. Now, I have no idea what this is. A Balm Cleanse, Exfoliate, and Moisturize. I'm gonna need to read the instructions on this thing. Apply directly from the stick or use fingertips. Massage onto dry skin. Okay. Using upward movements. Rinse off with warm water. Use a muslin cloth, flannel, or simply tissue away. What? Ideal as a face mask. Leave on for 10 minutes for added hydration. What the heck? So you're just supposed to use this to wash your face, unless you want to leave it on for a while, in which case, do it, and you can tissue it off at the end, because you wouldn't want to use water and then a tissue. That would just make the tissue dissolve. Okay. I don't even know if intrigued is the right word. I'm more like morbidly curious about this product, because that seems like a terrible product. But let's see. It does look very fancy. This is a 20-gram size, and let's see what the let's see if I can figure out how to open it first. That's the first test. It's like a little deodorant stick. Oh, it smells good. I mean, I saw that this is mandarin and geranium scented, but very strange. Oh, it kind of feels like deodorant too. It's got like a little bit of a balm but powdery feel to it. I don't know if I like that. That's weird. I'll have to give it a go and I will report back. Okay, so an interesting selection of products. I think that the Lush and the YSL are still the two products that I am most excited about, but I am really excited about these two, so I'm perfectly happy with the box. I think it was more than worth the $25 to me. So just as a review, I got the Lush exfoliator and the balm from Balm. Those were two skincare pieces. I had received two makeup pieces between the lipstick and the brow wax, excuse me. And then there were two body care pieces with the Ahava lotion and the commodity mini fragrance. So overall, I feel like the value is there. I don't think that I will probably stay subscribed to Allure Beauty. I just don't need four full-size 3 to 4 full-size products coming into my life every month, especially when I can't choose them. That just seems like a recipe for me personally to build up a lot of moisturizer and a lot of face masks that I will never use. So let me know what you think of this box. I'm really quite happy with it. I'm most happy with the item I picked myself, which, you know, is kind of to be expected. But I'm interested to hear your thoughts too. Thank you again, and I hope I see you all next time. Bye, guys.